Hi everyone, welcome to the Seize the Craft. Today I am going to make origami lily. So this is really easy way to do the lily. So let's begin. All you gotta do is get one nice origami paper. And here we go. The first fold we're going to start with by folding diagonally half. So all you gotta do is hold on to the point and then crease it because we have to ensure that it's perfectly aligned, and then you're gonna go crease. So now we're going to open this fold, and what we're going to do is we're going to fold other corner to corner diagonally half, and then you're going to crease. All right, so we're going to open this fold, and as you can see there is a X crease facing to the table. Now we're going to flip it over. Once we flip it over, we're going to fold into half, and crease it. So once we crease it, we're going to open this fold again and fold into other half, and crease it again. So here, as you can see, there is a X crease popping up now and plus crease facing to the table. So we're going to slightly move this. This is how it should face to you, and we're going to hold on to the corners. These are the corners points, and this is the sides. So bring these two corners together to the center. Your fold need to be staying on the table, and flatten it from the top. So once you flatten it from the top, crease it well. All right, so I'm gonna little bit zoom it in. So here we go. Now as you can see, the opening of the fold is facing towards S, and on the top there is no opening except the flaps. So we're going to fold onto the top flaps into half diagonal. Do not worry for this point. Even if it gets crooked, it's perfectly all right. Fold and crease it. We're going to do it on the both sides. And crease well. Okay, so this is how your fold should be facing to you. We're going to repeat the same on the other side. Let's flip it over and let's fold diagonally half in from the top on the both side. All right, so now we're going to take one of the fold, open it from the under. Just give a nice opening until they here the point, until the top point, and we're going to push this edge line in. Once we press it in, you will notice it is forming a shape of an kite. So we're going to give a crease in here, nice and crisp. So this is how your first fold going to face. We're going to repeat this fold 3 more times after this. So we're going to fold the bottom part into half and crease it. Also on the other side. Now we're going to open this crease, the folds, and we're going to give an opening until where you see the crease line, until this crease line. So open the fold until where you see the crease lines, and as you can see we are not opening until the end, only until where is the crease line, and push these flaps in, and from the top we just want to go until the center crease line. So you will see this is forming a flap, and fold it down. So one final fold on this side is fold on the top and crease it on the other side too, and crease it. So we are done with one of the side. Now we're going to move this flap, the one on the left, not on the right, the one on the left, to the right, to the right, and fold it here. So we're going to move on to the next one. We open this flap and open the bottom and push this in. It will form a kite shape. Now again, we're going to fold onto these bottoms here and crease it. So we crease it. Now we're going to open these folds, and again, as you can see the crease line until here, we're just going to open it here until where the crease line is, and then we're going to push the flaps in from the bottom, moving to the top, and slowly you're going to fold until the center point and crease. The flaps goes down, and here, as I said, we're going to fold onto the top and crease it, and again we're going to fold on here and crease. This is done the second side. Now we're going to move, this time is the right flap. Remember to move the right flap, do not rush. So when we move the right flap, we will have the plain side showing up. Now we're going to flip it over. So once we flip it over, we're going to begin with the right side fold. Open this fold and open underneath. And once we open it, we're going to push this down, forming a kite shape. And this is our kite shape. We're going to fold onto the bottom and crease. Alright, we're going to open this fold once we are done, and again we're going to open this bottom flap in here until this crease line. Once we open it, push the bottom flaps in. This one has to be really particular. Okay, I fold them in from the bottom, and now the top. Move it to the top, and this flaps goes down, right? And then we're going to fold onto the top sides. So while folding, all you gotta ensure whenever you're watching this video to ensure that your fold is facing just the way it's on the screen to you. All right, this is how it's facing. Now we're going to move this flap to the right, and we're going to work on one final time. This is on the left. Let's open this flap, and we're going to open underneath, and push this in. It will form a kite shape. One more time, we're going to repeat it. Fold on the side bottoms precise. And then on here, and we're going to open these, open until the crease lines, push the bottom flaps in, and go to the top and fold it down. Now you're gonna fold the sides and crease it. Now we're going to fold both the sides on the top. So one final time we're gonna move. Now this time the flap, just the one on the top, this one, to the left, to the left, to the left, to the left. You have to sing a song. Alright, so this is how our fold should be facing to you. Front and the back is completely plain. Now you gotta take one pen or pencil, anything that works. Hold on to the point in here. Hold on to the point in here and roll it down. Leave it. We're gonna do it with the back one. Hold on to the point, roll it down and leave it. So this one, as you can see, this edge line here for the side one, we're going to do it only until the edge line. Hold on to the point in here, roll it down, one more, you can do the tiny adjustment. As you can see, those are my tiny adjustments. Well, that is it for the lily. Bottom, you can just give a tiny twist so the fold stays in place. And hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe this video, and subscribe my channel, that is Seize the Craft. And thank you for watching. Bye.